very nice.
Well, that's it. Here, one more. There you go. Got you on that one.
Oh, God.
Feel a little taller now?
Jeez.
Yeah. Okay. Tilt your right ear to your right shoulder where your left big ear. There you go. Better. Better. Now left ear to left shoulder where your right big toe. Much better.
Wow.
That was what I wanted.
Okay. I am.
Okay. Just breathe through your nose. Keep your teeth together. Oh yeah.
Oh my God.
Yep. That's oh my God. Wow adjustment. You felt that all the way down, didn't you? Okay, you gotta breathe in. I know I knocked the air out of you, because I adjusted your whole rib cage. See, when your spine's curved like that, those ribs are all misaligned with the thoracic spine. So when I adjust you, it kind of compresses your rib cage, knocks the air out of you.
Yep.
Breathe. There you go. Okay, let me have your neck with your right big toe. There.
Oh my
Okay.
gosh.
I got you, honey. Let it go. Atta girl. Good job. Don't worry, I don't have any heads on my trophy while you don't start with yours. Okay. Now, just breathe through your nose. And how will you let big toe? Just like that. Oh, yes, ma'am. Home run. There we go. I know you felt that one all the way down, didn't you? Okay, let me have you, hon. There you go. See, you thought one of those skiing accidents was bad.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, and just relax your hands there. There we go. Okay, Bing. There it is. See, that was still home run. You were still plenty noisy on that one. And look at there, you're still kicking.
Yeah. So, you would tell this to a medical doctor, and
Well, I've done this to medical doctors.
but on a superficial level, it seems like you're gonna break something. But this is
No, body's tough. I mean,
Yeah, body's tough, yeah.
I'm a black belt in martial arts.
Are you serious?
Yes. Okay, there we go. Yeah, well, I didn't do it overnight either. It took me like 6 months to change my sleeping pattern. I had to build a fort around me with big pillows. Could just breathe. There you go.
Oh,
Yes, ma'am. You should have felt that all the way down. How'd that feel?
really good.
Yep. Oh boy. Yes, ma'am. And yes, you are still kicking. Just first rest your hands right there. Okay. Now take a deep breath through your nose. Yes, sir. Home run. Now you felt that all the way down, didn't you?
I felt a lot of pops.
Right, that's what I mean. You felt it go all the way down your spine. Good. See, you still got a head. You're still talking.
Oh.
Okay, I got you. There you go. Yes, sir. Now that's a real adjustment. Okay, let me get your hair out of the way here. There you go. Now, get this under your chin. Just breathe through your nose. That girl.
Oh my god.
Uh-huh.
You didn't tell me to wiggle my toes.
I know. I didn't have to. You were easy. I didn't have to. Okay, now tilt your left ear to your left shoulder with your right big ear. Okay. There you go. Better.
We've been talking about the ring dinger.
Yeah. Everybody's talking about the ring dinger. Yes, sir.
Wow. Oh my
You should
god.
have felt that all the way down.
Oh shit.
Did you?
Yeah.
And no, I don't check these to see if they're still alive. I did it mostly for entertainment value for y'all.
Felt amazing.
But he had diminished reflex on the left patellar before the adjustment. Now he does not. Yes, sir.
Yeah. That felt amazing.
Okay, just breathe through your nose. Keep your teeth together. Yes, ma'am. Now you know why I call it ring dinger.
Yeah.
Keep breathing. Nice deep breath through your nose, out through your mouth. I got you. That a girl. Good job. And look, your head's still. Now watch this. Look at the difference. My attorney said she wanted to get the article autographed. And I said, oh, I'm sure I could get Mike to autograph it. She goes, no, from you, dingy. I said, well, that's what it's all about, ring dinger.
I'll have to get your autograph before I get out of here.
Okay. There you go, boy. I heard that one around the world.
That was better than this.
Yeah, they get better. Okay. Yes, sir. Crack Egg's gonna love you. And see, you can check her reflexes. They're not that great beforehand, so we'll check them afterwards. You can check function before and after the adjustment. Just breathe through your nose with your left big toe. Yes, ma'am. I know you felt that one all the way down, because I certainly did. Okay, so I'm going to recheck your reflexes here now. And looky there. You see the difference in how that jumps?
Yes.
So not only should you be able to see the difference in the mirror after your adjustment, you should actually be able to feel the difference and see the difference, and also feel the difference in the pain levels and function of your bodily organs, muscles, tissues, and cells. Because the nervous system controls and coordinates the function of every other organ, muscle, tissue, and cell in the entire body. Alright. Yes, sir. Good, good, good. You feel that all the way down?
Yes, I did.
Alright. Let me tilt you left. Just like that. Oh yeah, doesn't get any better than that, my friend. Okay, there we go. Lay your head back. Okay, on this one now, you just want to keep your teeth together. Make sure you don't bite your tongue. Breathe through your nose with your left big toe. Atta girl. Yeah, boy, Crack Egg's definitely gonna love you. Like a bowl of Rice Krispies, I'm just pouring on the milk.
Keep breathing.
Yeah, keep breathing. You're still kicking, you're alright. Keep breathing. Breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth.
Okay.
Yeah, she's fine. It's just an intense first adjustment.
Oh boy.
Now you know why I call it ring dinger. Okay, breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. There you go. Okay? Yeah. Well, that's a lot better reaction than crying. I got you. Tilt your left ear to your left shoulder. Look at you.
Oh boy.
Tilt your right ear to your right shoulder. That a girl. Okay. Keep your teeth together for me, Matt. Keep breathing. There you go. That wasn't so bad. Didn't hurt me a bit.
Oh, I don't even
See,
wanna
it takes your
move.
breath away. You couldn't see anything.
Oh,
Keep breathing. There
yes.
you go. You can just put your hands on your tummy there.
I can't even feel my hands.
Yeah. Drop your head in my hand. Perfect.
Oh, shoot.
Yeah, now tilt your head to your right shoulder.
Oh.
Boy, doesn't get any better than that. Okay. Just breathe through your nose. Yeah, boy.
Ooh.
Oh, I felt that one suck back in there. I know you felt that all the way down. Didn't you?
Oh, boy, did I.
And looky there, you're still kicking. So. Yeah. There we go. I got you. Okay. Yes, sir. That's how it's done.
Prepared.
Yep. Okay, lift up just a bit. Did you find this on YouTube?
No.
My husband,
Oh, that's right. Your
he watches
husband
Joe
referred.
quite a bit.
Yeah. There you go, boy. That was one for the ages.
Whew,
Yes, ma'am.
that was a little rougher than the first time, but
Well, it just got down deeper because the first time we broke loose some fibrotic adhesions and scar tissue, so now I'm able to go a little bit further.
yes.
Okay, let me have you here. Oh, yeah. Crack Eggs be loving you. There your husband can watch you.
He will be so excited.